I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to show you how I cut a 94-pound bag of Portland cement down into 2 halves roughly so that I can more easily maneuver it. Those aren't my sunglasses. I got this wrestled into the back of my van. Usually, I used to be able to lift 94 pounds, of course, using my knees and all that, but lately I'm having some neuralgia issues, some numbness, some pain, and I find that even though I can lift 94 pounds, the next day after I do that, I often pay a pretty high price in pain. So instead of hauling this into the yard and cutting it, I'm gonna just lift and drop it right here onto this piece of paper I have here, which is just an arbitrary thing that I put down to kind of catch the mess. What I'm going to cut it with is this utility knife, sharp edge, and a piece of rebar, which I thought I brought out here, but I don't see, so I will go get. I'll be back. Back in a flash. I found some substitute sunglasses and a couple of spare pieces of rebar, and I was going to show you. This thicker one is nicer because it's thicker, but happens to be a little on the short end. You want it to at least be as a little bit longer than the bag that you're cutting in half. Actually, that'll work just fine, so I'm going to use that stronger one because it's a heavy bag. Or cutting lime, I could use the lighter one. And using my knees, my legs, I'm just going to let gravity help me, and I'm going to put that right on top of this with, you can see this, placing this bar down in the middle of my surface. I'm going to place the bag so that this bar is roughly in the halfway place. That's going to help me divide it into 2 halves so that I can cut it and, like I said, more easily transport it. So I'll be right back.